Okay. In the previous video, I showed how you can record a screen from video screen recording. In this video, I want to show you how you can trim your video from playback tab. You can choose your video in your PowerPoint slide and go to playback, and from editing you can choose trim video. In this panel we can change the start and end time for this video, for example from this time to this part. Okay, and I will press OK to trim my video. If I play my video, you can see it is trimmed to, for example, I want the time I have chosen in trim panel.